What's going on?
The vortex has been closed.
What is
We
the
just
vortex?
received funding for a problem property that we have been dealing with for 11 months now. And I'm about to go tell the team.
What is happening? I'm kind of scared.
At least Cody has the camera this time.
Are you finally going to tell us what we think?
You got Cody to... How the hell did you get Cody to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Because I asked him very nicely, and I've known him for 15 years.
It's been 84 years.
We just got $51,160.
I knew this like an hour ago.
Oh, he knew that an hour ago.
But I'll still take
Why is it old news? I just found out from him. Well, it wasn't old news to me. I thought that I was providing something cool for everybody.
Providing a good time, man.
Aaron,
Why is there 51?
this one literally took sweat and tears from you.
Not tears.
No blood.
No blood.
But sweat and tears. Another closing in. This one puts us 100,000 over our goal.
What? Yeah.
Ding dong.
Does a toast count if someone toasts before they open it? Oh God, the party's over.
Oh, God.
Oh, Jordan! Hey, buddy.
Oh my bad. I thought that was Nick.
We're actually celebrating your return.
What are we doing?
What do you think we're doing? We're enjoying some drinks.
Were you running or something?
Those stairs, man.
Stairs freaking get you.
Yeah, closed.
All right.
So Jordan actually helped me out at the property when we needed it to be emptied
Jordan
out.
drove there
He was
twice,
right there.
right? This is one that Aaron's not gonna live down, like the muffin story.
always.
The what, Scott?
The muffin story. So, Aaron,
Andrew,
when
the
he
guy
eats a muffin
that was
and he wants to
there,
cut it and share it with someone, he doesn't cut it this way.
"Are you guys
He
good
cuts
to
the
have
top
it in
off,
the property?"
takes the top,
Who does shit like that, man?
and then leaves the bottom for everybody else.
I don't remember. I don't hear any of that.
Psycho.
There you go, buddy. It's all yours. You guys have a great one now.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Wow.
Need to soundproof those walls for you.
So here's the thing. Anna has sent me 1942 in the past, and I made a big mistake with it, and I found out about this about 30 times. My wife's always wanted to try 1942, and I didn't bring any home, so I heard about it for a really long time. So the other day, I had a drink or two, and I was at the bar. We were with some friends, and she's like, "You didn't bring me home 1942," and I said, screw it. Get us 4 shots. Yeah, that was a $400 tab. So, yeah, this is better. So the way we do this, rough day. Day's getting bad. Celebration. Not opened.
The celebration!
Sitting here late in the evening and deciding that we should have a drink with our conversation. Backup, which we have not opened. So, you have to have alcohol for all different types of things that happen. I mean, when you're happy, when you're sad. I mean, she sounds really bad, doesn't it? No, you just have it for different things. So, here we are, and then you have to have hats for every different occasion as well. You might say, hey, I'm going to pair this hat with some Johnny Walker. Then this hat might pair with some tequila. But then you've got a different color of a hat that might pair with a 1942. But then when you have enough 1942, that's when you pull these out. And that's when you take it to the next level.
Dylan, update us.
So our boy Aaron, Erroneous Jacksonius,
What is it that I have on my legs?
a lot of white and no hair.
It's the shorts.
Oh. Anyways, he got 2 contracts today, one in Texas. Well, I mean, let's be real here. If it wasn't me for setting up the notary appointment, he wouldn't have gotten it. So technically I got a contract. Aaron just, got them to agree.
He's gonna kick you back on that, isn't he?
He better.
Throw me a frickin' bonus here.
Or I just won't send it to escrow. And then he just got another one right now in California. It's in my hand right here. So good job, Aaron. Let them
I
know.
just have to keep the lead secure.
Exactly.
I'm only 1 ahead of Emily right now for
So-
the salesman of the month. Just
For
one.
our viewers, they know that without my assistance, that Texas contract would not have happened. So now you have to give me kickback on that.
Of course.
At least a dinner or something.
Steak dinner, that's like 5 now. So, but good job to Aaron.
Thanks, Dylan.
My question is, how many of those pairs of those shorts you have? Because they're lucky.
It's the pleats.
I have 2 in my car right now, and then I have like another 5 or 6 at home.
Don't act like you're not impressed.
Aaron's the f***ing man. 2 contracts in a day. He did it. Killed it.
So I notice you haven't worn shorts yet, but I think you got those zip, or am I just imagining things?
They turn into shorts. So if I get as good as Aaron one day, I will take these babies off.
I'm actually taking them back right now. Taking them back to the pants store.
Good mindset to have.
Still excessive.
That's how it is in the military.
Can we tell Aaron we had an 8:30 meeting today?
So,
You didn't get the memo?
Pretend like we're doing shit.
well, let's wait till 8:50 and close the door. Oh, you made it.
Act like we're on the 3rd page.
So, the rules are, and they're very, very strict. The meeting start time is the meeting start time, and if it's at 9 o'clock, the meeting door closes at 8:59, and nobody's allowed in after that. And then typically it doesn't work out well for whoever that was.
Speaking of it not working out.
This is awkward.
I actually have a list of about 1,000 houses of driving for dollars that I need to skip. So
Hit
that's
'em.
the first thing that's going in.
Yeah, start hitting them, dude. Hit them, hit them, hit them.
So how'd that go, man?
It went good. I love doing these coaching calls. Just being able to see some of the people that have had the struggles I had in the past and try to help them get through that. I never really had that when I was getting started, and if I can help somebody get to that next level, I'd love to see that. So I just opened my coaching calls back up again, so we got some dates available. If anyone wants to sit down and talk about their business and the struggles they're having, I want to just be very type A on these calls, be right to the point so I can help you out as much as possible, get through as many topics as possible. So when you leave this call, hopefully you say, wow, now I know what to go do. I've got some people that have scheduled 3 calls with me, 4 calls with me over the last, 4 to 6 months. They get one scheduled, they put things in place, schedule another one, and they keep going. And to see where they were then to where they are now, I'm an open book during these calls, and I want to help people get to that next level.
Always helping. Love it.